All right, here we are again. We've got this beam in. Okay, Frankie's already welded one side, he's now going to weld this side. So that one's in, it's safe. I've got this post in position with the 10mm packer on top. So she's the right height. And now we're going to screw down on the other side. I've already got holes in the top. There, we've got holes up there. I'm going to screw that down over to here, to this post, just next to the post there. And then we're going to weld off the other end and bolt that in. And then we can work out how big a sag this thing has. Once we let the styes out, then we'll know roughly how big a packers are over the top. Now we've already got a 10mm packer there, which is where that diamond is, over the top of that, like it is on the bottom of the steel. We've got one on top, so the beam is 10mm thicker there. But of course I think it's going to be sagging a good 10 to 15mm there, so I'll probably start to put more packers on top of that. So it's a 10-metre span. So from that end over there to that post over there is 10 metres. So it's a 10-metre span with a 380 with a house on top. So I reckon she's going to sag a little, probably about 20mm in the middle. We'll find out shortly. So we've got this end welded up and the post, little jack post that's got to go in there to sort that one out. Okay, so we'll have that done shortly, next hour or two, and I'll take another video then. All right, let's just keep you posted as we got this one. And yeah, scary. It's not the sort of thing you want to do too often. Get it right the first time, not take it out and put it somewhere else. Okay, talk again soon. Love yous. Bye.